Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a taxi operator featured in a viral video verbally abusing a student over the cost of the fare is not only without a job, but he's facing a list of charges.
The development comes as the Transport Authority ramps up efforts to prevent overcharging.
Sandy Williams has details.
This is the viral video which left many persons stunned.
Sir, it's not for your fear. Sir,
The public passenger driver arguing with a school-aged girl about how much she should pay for the journey. The Transport Authority was able to trace the video to Old Harbour. In a release, it said a meeting was held with the owner of the taxi, who subsequently relieved the driver of his duties. The driver was arrested and charged for common assault by the Old Harbour Police and warned for prosecution by the Transport Authority for operating without a badge, failure to wear uniform, and for unlawfully deceiving a passenger of the fare for a journey under Regulation 129 Section D of the Road Traffic Regulations. The authority is again reminding operators that children, students in uniform, physically disabled, and senior citizens are to pay half the approved fare. It stressed that any deviation will result in prosecution and that the offender may be fined up to $100,000 if convicted for the offense under Section 107 Part 3 of the Road Traffic Act. The public is being encouraged to report acts of overcharging by calling toll-free 1-888-991-5687 or 876-926-8912 or WhatsApp images or videos to 876-551-8196 or 876-279-8515. The complaints should include the license plate numbers, the routes for the vehicles, or the location of the incident. Commuters may also download the Drive Safe Jamaica and TravelPal apps from the Google Play or App Stores and submit your images, videos, or complaints on these portals. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.